Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 3rd, 2024, and we're diving into Marvell Technology's latest earnings report for the third quarter of fiscal year 2025. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Marvell Technology, a leader in data infrastructure semiconductor solutions, has just released their Q3 2025 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to their strategic focus on AI-driven products.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Marvell Technology reported a net revenue of $1.516 billion for Q3 2025, which is a 7% increase year-on-year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The revenue growth was primarily driven by strong demand from AI applications, which has been a significant focus for Marvell. Their non-GAAP gross margin also stood at an impressive 60.5%, indicating efficient cost management and high-value product offerings. Additionally, they generated $536.3 million in cash flow from operations, showcasing robust financial health.
And how did they perform in terms of earnings per share?
Marvell reported a non-GAAP diluted income per share of $0.43, which is a substantial beat against the analysts' forecast of 23 cents. This reflects their strong operational performance and strategic positioning in the market.
Strategic initiatives and market focus. John, Marvell's CEO mentioned strong demand from AI and cloud customers. Can you elaborate on their strategic initiatives?
Marvell's strategic focus on AI and cloud infrastructure is paying off. Their custom AI silicon programs are now in volume production, which has significantly contributed to their revenue growth. The demand from cloud customers for their interconnect products remains robust, positioning Marvell well for future growth.
It seems like they're setting the stage for continued success. What are their expectations for the next quarter?
For Q4, Marvell is forecasting a 19% sequential revenue growth at the midpoint of their guidance, with a year-over-year growth expectation of 26%. This marks a promising outlook as they continue to capitalize on their AI and cloud solutions.
Financial outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what does Marvell's financial outlook for the fourth quarter tell us?
Marvell is projecting Q4 revenue to be around $1.8 billion, plus or minus 5%. They expect a non-GAAP EPS of 59, which is quite optimistic. Their GAAP gross margin is anticipated to be approximately 50%, reflecting their continued focus on high-margin products.
How does this align with their strategic goals?
Their guidance aligns well with their strategic emphasis on AI and cloud technologies. By maintaining strong margins and revenue growth, Marvell is setting a solid foundation for fiscal 2026 and beyond.
CEO insights and future prospects. John, what insights did Marvell's CEO Matt Murphy provide regarding their future prospects?
Matt Murphy highlighted that the third quarter's exceptional performance and strong forecast for the fourth quarter are primarily driven by their custom AI silicon programs. He emphasized that this marks the beginning of a new era of growth for Marvell, with substantial momentum expected to continue into fiscal 2026.
It sounds like Marvell is on a promising trajectory. Any final thoughts on their strategic direction?
Marvell's focus on AI and cloud solutions is clearly paying off. Their ability to innovate and meet market demands positions them well for sustained growth. Investors should keep an eye on how they execute their strategies in the coming quarters.
Key takeaways. In summary, Marvell Technology has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2025, with significant revenue growth and a notable beat on earnings per share. Their strategic focus on AI and cloud infrastructure is driving their success, and their outlook for the next quarter is optimistic. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Marvell's impressive results and future prospects.
thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Marvell's performance in the comments below. Until next time.